Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com. Finally, you can hear me. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter math. We're going to start with the chapter time. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So we're going to start with the chapter. We're going to start with the first lesson, that is convert time units. So let's just start with the lesson. 1 hour equal how many half hours? Hour we have 60 minutes. So half hour means 30 minutes. So in 1 hour we have 2 half hours. So 1 hour equal to half hours. Let's just start with the test questions. How many seconds are in a minute? Which is the correct option? There are 60 seconds in a minute. The correct option is 60. How many minutes are in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. The correct option is 60. Thirty-seven months equal how many years and months? You have to divide because you need to write the answer in hours. So you have to divide it by the 12. So 12 times 3 is 36, right? And 7 times 7 take away 6 is 1 and 3 take away 3 is 0. So the correct option is 3 years 1 month. The correct option is 3 years and 1 month. So option number 2 is the correct option. $60 equal how many hours? $60 equal 1 hour. The correct option is option number 3. Two quarter hour equals how many hours? quarter hour equals 1/2 hour. The correct option is 1/2 hour. 2 hour 55 minutes. So 2 hours mean in 1 hour you have 60 minutes, right? So 2 times 60 is 120, and you already have 55 minutes. So just add 120 plus 75 equals, sorry, 155 equals 1 hour and sorry, 120 plus 55 equals 175 minutes. So the correct option is 175 minutes. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 175 minutes. 7 minutes 46 seconds. You have to convert it into seconds, right? In 1 minute, you have 60 seconds. So you have to calculate 7 times 60. 7 times 6 is 420. And then you have to add 46. So 420 and 46, that is 466. Option number 1 is the correct option. How 256? That is option number 1 is the correct option. 466 seconds. 1 hour equal how many quarter hours? 1 hour equal 4 quarter hours. Quarter hour means 15 minutes. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add and subtract mixed time units. Three days, 16 hours minus 5 hours. So you always subtract the same units, right? You always subtract hours to hours and minutes to minutes. So days, you don't have the days over here, so you have to subtract hours. 16 minus 5 is 11. So that is 3 days, 11 hours. Let's just start with the test questions. 2 days, 7 hours minus 1 day, 7 hours. So which is the correct option? Subtract days from days. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 7 minus 7 is 0. That is 1 days and 0 hours. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 hours 7 minutes plus 1 hour 39 minutes. That is 5 hours 46 minutes. Option number 2 is the correct option. 10 seconds plus 3 minutes 30 seconds. That is 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 week, 6 days minus 1 week, which is the correct option. That is 6 days. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 months plus 4 months, which is the correct option. That is 10 months. Option number 2 is the correct option. 3 days, 16 hours minus 5 hours, which is the correct option. That is 3 days and 11 hours. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 4 minutes 45 seconds plus 2 minutes 5 seconds, which is the correct option. That is 6 minutes 50 seconds. Option number 2 is the correct option. 2 hours 55 minutes minus 2 hours 50 minutes, which is the correct option. That is 5 minutes. Option number one is the correct. Two is the correct. One is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is fractions of time units. How many years are in 1/5 of a decade? In a decade, there is 10 years. So that is 10 times 1 by 5. That is 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. How many minutes are in 1/5 of an hour? Which is the correct option? 1/5 of an hour. So you have to calculate 1 by 5 times 60 because in 1 minute you have 60 seconds. So you have to divide 60 by 5. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 60. So 1/5 of an hour means 12 minutes. That is the correct option is option number 1, that is 12 minutes. Five years is what fraction of a decade, which is the correct option? 5 years. In a decade, we have 10 years, right? So then 5 years mean they are 5 divided by 10 or 1 by 2. The correct option is option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 5, 10, 5, 10 or 1 by 2. How many decades are in 1/5 of a century? That is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. How many hours in half of a day? That is 1 by 2 times 24. That is 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. How many days are in 1/7 of a week? So, which is the correct option? That is 1 by 7 times 7. The correct option is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. One second is what fraction of a minute? That is 1 by 60. Option number 2 is the correct option. One hour is what fraction of 1 minute is what hour of an hour? Option number 2 it is 1 by 60 it is. 2 years is what fraction of a century? That is 2 by 100 or 1 by 50. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 hours is what fraction of a day? That is 4 by 24 or 1 by 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is time. The lessons we have covered today are convert time units, add and subtract mixed time units, and fractions of time units. So, please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So, if you need more help with any of the lesson, so you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session.